Oops. Hi everyone! Today I'll be unboxing my VCA Alhambra necklace with you. I actually bought this a while ago, but I've been so busy, so this was just quietly sitting in my closet for the longest time. I am so excited that I finally get to unbox with you today. I'll try it on and also share with you some of my buying tips and shopping experience, so please stay tuned till the end. Can you guess the size and color combination I got? Now I'm going to slide this off carefully. I like to keep my packaging intact. Here we go. No. Inside this white pearly box is another box, which is the iconic VCA green box that is almost like a sage green and feels like suede. Are you ready? Ta-da! Oops, there's a felt inside. It is so stunning. This is the vintage Alhambra necklace in yellow gold and white mother of pearl. Did you guess right? Let's take a closer look together. You can see that the chain is so shiny and delicate, and the pendant, which is the mother of pearl, is white and iridescent. It catches the light almost like a rainbow. Now I'm going to take it off and put it on me so you can see how it looks. The necklace has two settings. This is the long one, this is the short one. I'm going to try it on in the longer setting. I can imagine this is how I will usually wear with most of my necklines. The long setting is definitely more versatile, and as you can see, now it layers perfectly with my existing chain necklace. I'm gonna show you how it looks like as a standalone piece. Alright, so this is how it looks like in the longer setting on its own. And I'm going to change it to the shorter setting so you can see. This is on the shorter setting. As you can see, it sits higher near my collarbone and it looks more like a choker. What do you think? A bit of story time for you. VCA Alhambra necklace had been on my wish list for a long time, and I finally decided to take the plunge to celebrate a career milestone. Initially, I wanted the sweet size, which is the smaller size, because I thought it would look good on my frame and it's less expensive. So then I went to the Toronto Yorkdale boutique and met my SA. Her name is Michelle. She is extremely friendly and helpful. She first started off by providing us with some drinks and macarons, and then she took out a bunch of different styles for me to try on. I tried on the sweet size in carnelian and rose gold against the vintage in yellow gold and white mother of pearl. So then I realized that the sweet size is a tad too small for me. Even though it looks good as a layering piece, I would want my first VCA piece to be a classic size so I can wear it both as a standalone piece and as a layering piece. I also tried on two white mother of pearl side by side in both yellow gold and white gold, and I noticed that the pearl in the white gold appears more pink, whereas the one in yellow gold appears more green. My essay explained that every piece is unique, but she tends to see yellow gold comes in warmer tone stones and white gold paired with more cooler tone stones. In the end, I decided to go with yellow gold with white mother of pearl because this combination goes with most of my outfits and jewelry. I asked my essay to order a new one for me because the one in stock looks too green for me. So that's how I ended up with two bags and two receipts, because I paid the deposit to order the new one and then paid the remaining amount once the new one arrived. I also got some nice little VCA booklets. I mean, it is good marketing materials from VCA. That also looks good on my coffee table. Here's another little one here. That looks quite romantic. Most importantly, there is the pamphlet with a care package inside, which I will show you in close-up. And then you have the authenticity certificate as well. So make sure you double check that the ID inside the certificate matches with the number inscribed on the back of your necklace. This necklace is totally 10 out of 10 for me. I highly recommend that you go in person to try and pick your favorite, because these are natural stones that come in different color and pattern variations, even if you're picking from the same type of stones. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you do, please like and comment below. Let me know if you'd like to see a review video in the future. If you're into fashion and luxury items, please subscribe to my channel. It is free content for you and a motivation for me to keep going. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye!